on, Jameson.
Every pile of compost needs a source of carbon. Nitrogen, water, and oxygen. I need to turn the pile. It says turn the pile or something.
Yeah, I guess you use this. Babe, come turn the pile.
How do you do it?
Oh, you just twist it. You just turn it. Hold it with 2 hands. You need 2 hands. So one, yeah, and now turn it.
Oh, this is hard. This is hard.
Pick it up.
You can't.
Okay, now put it anywhere. Now turn it. Now turn it, baby. Keep going. You see?
Yes. I'm gonna try. I'm shy. It is hard. This centipede in here. Oh, 2. Now this centipede in here. I'm actually scared. Mommy, that's my swamp.
Yes. That's your swamp. Jameson's over here like, Shrek, that's my swamp. Yes.
Jump it over there. It looks like a Titanic.
Oh, see? He tried to get it again. I saw the frog.
So fast.
It's fast.
Dude, it feels like it's a Titanoboa. Yeah, it makes me to move fast.
You see the snake somewhere?
The frog, I only saw the frog the first time. The frog kind of chirped and jumped, and the snake tried to catch it, but the frog got away.
Oh, I'm going to like it's like a it's like a hermit crab.
Well, we come here a lot, and once you kind of know what to look for, it's easier to see it. But it takes some practice.
That thing's ready for one of us to put on. We're going straight and left to the map. And we go see the animals after soon. Simpson, touch this computer. And see this and this and this. And see this. We see.
Whoa, you monkeys.
Sure.
Can I walk the walks?
Right there. Las aves. Oh, wait. No, it should be over here.
Wow, you got a lot of walks in here.
Bird blind. You look through these and see if you see a bird.
I'm looking through this one. I see an orange. I see an orange. Mommy, look, the rarest bee in the world. Right there,
Which
that
one?
shiny one. The shiny one.
That's a rare bee.
Uh-huh. Look how shiny it is.
I see it.
People think that bug isn't real, but it actually is. Right, Mimi?
Yeah.
Brush for the bug.